you guys are doing well. Quick one. This video is basically to illustrate how to install the BOQ estimator on the software. First things first, ensure that you're using a Windows, a Windows operating system, and the second thing is make sure that the time zone on your laptop is correct. Okay. If you look at the bottom right corner of your PC, okay, I expect that time, the date, and year, everything is correct, because our software here is bound to the time zone of your personal computer. Okay, please ensure you do that. If the date is not correct, correct it before you install the software. We're doing that so that you don't have challenges in the near future. Okay, that software is going to trouble you. You not correct the time zone. Okay. All right. Without much ado, let's dive straight into how to install the software. Just when you contact us, which I'll send you a link on your WhatsApp, where you can easily access the link that will take straight to where the software is. Okay. Let's do that real quick. So go to your WhatsApp. You tap on the link. Okay, the link will take you. The link will channel you where the application is. Here we have. Ignore this. This is my laptop security. Ignore that. All right. This is the software. So when you scroll down here, you'll see something like an instruction picture to download. So you just click on it. Okay. All right. This is it, guys. So this is what we have. It's a zipped folder. Okay. So when you open it, when you click on it, you see there we have two things. We have the client installation guide. This is yours. Please, guys, ensure you read that installation guide before you go ahead and read the software. Before you go ahead and install the software. Sorry. Yeah. Ensure that you read it and understand it. Okay. I repeat, ensure you read it before you install the software. Even what I've just started right now, what I've just explained right now, it's already documented in that installation guide. Okay. Then, of course, this is the software. The second one is software. So you just come up here and download. What? The software. You're going to receive this message that you can't scan this until the capacity is too big to scan. Just click download anyway. All right. And of course, I don't expect it. Okay. First of all, don't worry much. There's no virus in this application, so you don't need to worry much. And then the other one, even if it was, I expect your personal computers. You guys should know this features, but your personal computers with antivirus detectors, okay, so that if you forgot any foreign application coming to your laptop, but this particular one is free from the virus, okay, so don't worry much. All right, you browse and choose the location where you want to put it. Mine's already here. I want it on the desktop, so let's move to the desktop and I download. It's okay, it's downloading. It's over here. Doesn't take much MB, so don't worry. Okay, don't worry much. All right, it's downloading. Let's give it some seconds. When it is done, you can hear mine gives me a notification sound. So I can go ahead and open. Yeah, and open the folder. It's a zipped folder. So we can go ahead and unpack it. Let me get it. Mine is under downloads. Why am I even wasting time? It's already in the desktop. Of course, if I just click this and remove it and get it from here, it's here. Yeah, I have it here on the desktop. So what I'll do, guys, I right click on this, on the zipped folder. I want to unpack it, okay? We right click, then we select extract all. All right. Where do you want to save it? You can still browse and take it, but of course, I'm still advising you guys to keep it on the desktop. Okay, put it on the desktop for easy access. So I go ahead and extract. All right. This is it. So this is the folder. Then you have just unzipped. So when you open it, I've told you there are two things. They have the PDF that has your installation guide. That is yours. Ensure you read it. Open it and read it so that you follow the guidelines. Okay, it's good to follow guidelines so that you don't get caught unaware. Okay, this is yours. We are not going through this document. This is yours for your own consumption. It even has some short keys here that will help you when you're interacting with the software. Okay, you can ask my contact there in case you want to access for more information. Always feel free to reach out to us. Right. Without much ado, let's go straight to the software. So this second one is the software itself, the application. So what you do, you right click it, and then you send it to the desktop first. I always told you want to open it on the desktop. So I come here. For guys who are using Windows 11, you come down here, show more options. Okay, and then we are sending it to the desktop. Okay, here, this option, shortcut. Okay, shortcut. That is that. I always expect guys to. It's always good to run this on desktop. It's a desktop application. So after that, I minimize that. I come. You can see this is the software over here. Hope we are together up to this state. All right. Now, once you have it on your desktop, do not double click it or try to run it directly. No. What you do, you right click on that, on the software, okay, and then run as administration. There's a reason why I want us to run as admin, because this is a foreign software coming to your PC. So for these files, or for the software to create itself within your PC, it must interact with the system of Windows. Okay, so it's good to run as admin inside everything. It will blend together, in other words, with your particular PC, because it is attached to PC ID. I don't want to explain much about the logic behind, but that is just follow the instructions, run it as admin. Okay, so when I click that, all right, now a window will pop up. Okay, it's a smart screen defender for all computers. For this case, Windows. Okay, it's just tracking foreign software that's coming to the PC. But I've told you this software is very okay. When you look at when this comes up, just come here to more info. Okay, then of course it's showing you the application that is coming, and then the publisher. In this case, of course, it's unknown. We haven't placed the details about the publisher, but it's unknown publisher for now. So you come here and run anyway. Okay, click run anyway. All right, when you do that, give it some seconds. When you do that, some computers, I think the window pops up on the screen. Mine, it's down here. You see this down here? If I bring my cursor down here, it's here running. So you tap on it. Do you want to allow this app from unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Of course, you want to use the application, so there's no problem. Just click yes. All right. When we are done with that, give it some seconds. Yeah, there we are. That's the first window of the software that will pop up asking for a client ID. Okay. Here, guys, you're free to enter any 4 digits of your choice. Okay. I'm taking mine as basic. I can just do 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fine. You can choose your own client ID. It's an identification that it's like you're naming yourself. Okay, that's your ID for that first particular application in your PC. So mine is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can choose yours. Okay. So then we click register. So you register it. It says system data infrastructure successfully locked to your workstation. This application is for all of you. You see. All right. So I press enter or OK. I do that, the application opens straight up. Now, when you see this white background, don't get shocked and start getting worried. This is most of the software files are trying to install themselves into the system. Okay, whenever you see this, what you do is exit it again, exit it, then you reopen. Now, just because for now it's showing that there are still things being brought into the computer at the initialization stages. So I'll just exit it. Okay, then I come and double click. Now, as I've told you, you're going to right click and run as an admin only when you're installing for the first time. When the software is already done installed into your computer, just come right click on it. All right, when you right click on it, sorry, just double click. Sorry for that. Just double click. When you double click, your license expires in 6 days. Now, when you go and read the instructions and the user guide, it has all this detailed how the license works. In this case, it has a free trial for 7 days. Okay, so this message will always pop once a day as you open your software. Of course, 7 days and below, it starts giving you this notification to remind you of the renewal. Okay, but that's not a big deal. So it starts giving a countdown. So meaning 6 days from now, my free trial would have expired. So I will need to renew. Okay, just click OK. When you do that, now you can now see your background now comes officially. Like it's now okay. You can now that's how your platform. Okay, now this is fully installed into your computer. All right. So you can now go ahead and create a new project. Do that. You can always create a new project. Let me just call it PVT. Let me just name it anything. When I do that, it opens. I have a new working space to start operating my software. So guys, it's not that hard. It's very easy. Just follow the instructions and the software will get launched into your computer. The logo I already shared, gave you guys how to use the software in a previous video. You can always go and watch that video. You can upload your logo from there and any other thing. Me, I already have some projects ongoing. Being inputted to the software. I can just go and open mine. I can press Control O, open. Then I come where? It's this one here, a boundary wall, standard boundary wall. I either double click it or click once and open. Whichever choice, either you double click direct or you click and open. Whichever way, it still works. You see, the project loads itself. So this is an ongoing. Someone was inputting this, so you can see we already have things being being inserted into the software here. All right, so you can always do that. So the software is very easy to work with. Okay, you can always use the arrows to move up and down to see what you want to work on, what you want to edit. If you want to delete anything, you can just tap on that and I come to delete and I click delete. Shortcuts are there. Just click on that button of delete on your laptop. It gives you whether you want to delete the item. So that is your choice. In this case, I do not want to do that. You can press Ctrl A to highlight everything so that you copy and paste to another new project. That is all yours. All right, you can always come here and create a new category. Here we have inbuilt categories, structural categories, but you can always come here and create your own. Let me delete this and put maybe substructure works. Okay, let me just do that. Then I come here on this plus sign, add substructure works has been added to the category list. So just press enter. Okay. The same thing with the units. You can always add your own units. Here we have. This could not be all. We might not have exhausted all the units. You can always come here and add very many other units. Sorry, my throat is trying to disturb me a little. Okay. Yeah, I can always try to what? Do that, add more units. But this is not my interest. We already explained how to use the software in the other video. But what I want to do very fast, immediately you open this software, you come to File Operations and come down here, bring your cursor down here to User Guide and Installation Help. Please, guys, ensure you read this user guide. It's for your own good and consumption. And actually, my interest is actually even down here to phase 5. Make sure you read this, just T's and C's, so terms and conditions. You can always you read it and make sure you understand it. Okay, so that is it. Then you can close this. If that is too stressful, just press F1. Okay, Control F1. Very fast access the user guide. There are shortcut keys on how to use the software. I've shared them in that client installation guide. You can always visit that guide and what and get guidelines. Many others. I mean, all the things are there. Okay, so guys, that is it. Thank you for your time. Just come to the dashboard. You can come here, dashboard, or come to File Operation and exit from here, or you can just come here, back to my first interface, then exit. So guys, that is how we install the software. So once you're done installing the software, some of your PCs will show you a message that always keeps asking you to permit you to open. When you double click the software, what you do, you tap on that button and uncheck the part that says that always asks you to keep approving. Uncheck that side whenever you double click on your software like this. It just opens without asking you for a permission or something. Just uncheck that. You'll find it in your PCs. Okay, just uncheck something like that looks like this. Okay, something that looks like this. Just make sure you uncheck that. So whenever you double click, everything is okay. All right. So let me exit this. So guys, thank you. And then also advise you guys, in this folder, that's where the project, this folder where the project is, this one here. These are system files of that particular project. So I always advise you guys to open a separate folder where you'll be saving your project. So save it any other files, but do not save your projects in this. Leave this system files so that you don't have to tamper with them or change or try to rugged stuff in it. Let it just be like that as the folder where the project was installed from. Okay, like the source of the project. So just leave that. Okay, don't tamper. Oh, okay, if you want, it's okay, but then you're going to congest all this first. Just open another place or save it to some other folder. You have a lot of space in your computer. You can always find a way of saving it, your projects there. All right. Otherwise, guys, thank you for your time and do have a nice day.